Hello, my name is Chris Bendix, and I'm a project developer at Mercy Housing Northwest. On behalf of Mercy Housing, it's my privilege to announce that construction is underway for a new affordable housing development in Vancouver, Washington, which is on schedule to be completed in summer of 2022. This project is focused on families. Once complete, the property will include 69 apartment homes. Over 2/3 of the units will be 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, meeting the critical need for affordable, family-sized housing. The last 18 months has been a challenge for all of us, but the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic have been especially acute for low-income families with large households. Mercy Housing Northwest is committed to ensuring that low-income families have a place to call home in every community, especially high-opportunity places like Vancouver. Partnership and community are integral to developing high-quality, affordable housing. Projects like this can't be done alone. This project is the result of a new type of collaboration between Mercy Housing Northwest and PeaceHealth.
Without question, affordable housing was scarce prior to the pandemic, but with inflation at 30-year highs and local housing prices rising over 40% over the last several years, there could not be a better time to bring affordable housing to 69 families in our community. Keeping those we serve healthy goes beyond the walls of our hospitals. Stable, affordable family housing is an essential factor to maintaining good health. PeaceHealth and Mercy Housing share a common mission in serving those in need and supporting sustainable health and wellness. We are proud of our collaborative partnership to bring much-needed affordable housing to Vancouver. Housing that is close in proximity to schools, healthcare, employment, and transit. This development is a tangible example of our commitment to address critical needs in our community.
We believe every individual has value and is worthy of access to the supports that many of us take for granted, like access to healthcare, food, education, and stable housing as they contribute to the health and wellness of our community. At PeaceHealth, we know that only 20% of a person's individual health is impacted by their access to the high-quality healthcare we provide. The other 80% of their health is due to the environment they live in and their access to clean, safe, and affordable housing. For many who are marginally homed or unhoused, the key to health is stable housing. And our partnership with Mercy Housing allows us to focus on healthcare, what we do well, with the knowledge that the individuals we serve will also be able to access housing through Mercy Housing, because it is what they do well. Over the past year and a half, individuals in Clark County have lost jobs and seen reductions in income due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to the high cost and low availability of rental homes in Clark County, many working families are concerned they will no longer be able to afford their current housing and may be facing a future without stable housing. We believe that Mercy Housing's affordable apartment homes will help many of these families avoid being unhoused by providing accessible, low-income options for those who need them. By doing so, Mercy Housing will be supporting and potentially increasing the health of individuals who we care for every day at PeaceHealth.
Additionally, we are excited to work with the Vancouver Housing Authority, which will provide 17 project-based vouchers for this project. We see that as an important step in preventing homelessness for families most at risk.
At the Vancouver Housing Authority, we've seen firsthand over the last 7 or 8 years how rising housing costs have affected people in our community. Seniors on fixed incomes and families working in the retail and service industries have been most affected by these rising housing costs. That's why we're so excited about this partnership between Mercy Housing Northwest and PeaceHealth that will bring deeply affordable apartments to our community. We're also happy to be part of the partnership by providing vouchers to some of the apartments so that families who are at risk of homelessness can find stability and thrive.
The development will feature 5 well-landscaped 3-story apartment buildings designed to mesh well with the surrounding neighborhood, and will include a mix of 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments. Half of the apartments will be reserved for households earning up to 30% of area median income, and the other half will be reserved for households earning up to 50% of area median income. We will also have units reserved for large families and people with disabilities. The project is located in a high-opportunity, family-oriented neighborhood near schools, parks, faith communities, retail, and medical facilities. Residents will have access to nearby transit connections and employment centers, including the nearby PeaceHealth Southwest Medical Center, one of the largest employers in Clark County. Building community is a core value at every Mercy Housing Northwest property. Our new development will have a spacious community room with a kitchen and computer lab, and outdoor recreation space with walking paths, seating areas, and a playground. These shared community spaces will allow residents, friends, and neighbors to build strong connections and participate in on-site resident services, which will be coordinated by full-time, on-site staff. This programming focuses on health and wellness, K-12 education and out-of-school time, financial and housing stability, and civic engagement. Additionally, we're excited to continue our partnership with PeaceHealth community healthcare workers to bolster our already strong suite of resident services programs. Additional financing for the project is provided by our project partners at the City of Vancouver, Clark County, the Washington State Housing Finance Commission, the Washington State Department of Commerce, the Washington Community Reinvestment Association, Vancouver Housing Authority, and Wells Fargo Bank. The project was designed by MWA Architects and is being built by Walsh Construction Company, a longtime partner of Mercy Housing Northwest. This is Mercy Housing Northwest's first development in Southwest Washington, and we are extremely grateful to be part of this community and for our collaboration with our project partners to ensure that Clark County remains affordable and accessible for all.